Stonehenge is one of the most famous prehistoric monuments in the world. It is located in Wiltshire, England, and consists of massive standing stones arranged in a circle pattern. Historians believe that construction began around 3000 BCE and continued for over 1500 years. Despite its age, Stonehenge remains a mystery as experts are still unsure of its exact purpose. The structure consists of large stones, some weighing over 25 tons. These stones are divided into two types: sasans, which are the larger stones, and blue stones, which are the smaller and were transported from Wales. The way ancient people moved these heavy stones without modern technology is still a subject of research. Some theories suggest that they used wooden rolls or sled. Many believe that Stonehenge was used as a religious site or a place for astronomical observation. The alignment of the stones suggests that the monument was built to track the movement of the sun. On the summer solstice, the sun rises in perfect alignment with the heel stone, indicating that Stonehenge might have been used for ceremonies related to the changing season. Stonehenge is also linked to ancient burial practices. Astrologists have found human remains buried around the site, suggesting it may have been a sacred burial ground. Some theories suggest that it was used for healing rituals, while others believe it was a gathering place for ancient communities. Today, Stonehenge is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of tourists every year. Although its true purpose remains unknown, it continues to fascinate historians and visitors alike. Whether it was a temple, an observatory, or a burial site, Stonehenge remains an incredible symbol of human achievement and mystery.